Hello everyone, welcome to Storm Chasing with Noah, episode 5. Okay, so we got an insane risk today. Like, what the heck? We're gonna have some crazy tornadoes this episode. I don't know if beating that almost mile-wide tornado last episode, but all I know, this is going to be crazy. The holograph shows we're going to have a cool day. Storm motion is southeast. The shear is 658. Cape 5,112. Temperature of 70. Lapse rate's 8.3. And I don't know what all the rest are. But yeah, let's get into it. The storms, I hope the storms form up here, but I'm going to keep the velocity on because I don't remember which episode, but one of the episodes, it popped up before it even showed. And it did the same thing again. It did the same thing again. It just doesn't spawn the Dominator for some reason. Spawn the Dominator right now. Spawn it. There we go. I don't know why it wasn't spawning. There has to be a reason for that. Okay, so now we just gradually wait again for a storm to form. And last episode, right when I started the video, there was already a storm popping up on radar, so we can just get the drone up. I don't like that they added sounds to drone. I think it just makes the drone annoying. The drones are just annoying when you fly them up. I'm turning down my volume. Okay, so we're hoping something up in the north. You know it's good when you can literally see. That's 10 strike. That's Wadena. What the heck? I was gonna miss that if I didn't turn. So it looks like we got our first storm of the day, and it only took like a minute and 30 seconds to do it. Whoa, okay, that's actually a great spawn. I hope the hooks, it's probably going to be down there, and if it's down there, ooh, Hibbing might get hit. I mean, come on guys, we don't want any more towns to get hit. Last time we had 2 EF4s hit Haram. We had 2 giant tornadoes just slam into those towns, which is sad because those were a great. That was a great town. Yeah. So the storms are probably going to shift northeast after seeing what happened last episode. After seeing that just went cray. That made me go cray cray. As my teacher tells me, for some reason my teacher at school just calls all the girls in my class Chica. Why? Alrighty, we're gonna start heading west and see what we can catch. So if I find Emma watching this video, just if you're watching it, I'm just gonna let you know, tomorrow at school, I will come for you at recess. You will know it. Ooh, you'll like it. I'm gonna be chasing you everywhere. Alright, keep this chase. Okay, I think that's the hook. I hope that is, because the storm's been getting so much time to form. And there's not even a rotation indications yet. Okay. There's some shelf clouds forming. Alright, keep the velocity up, see if we can spot it. Yep! Oh! It actually shows it's pretty big. Hopefully the rotation's not too big like last episode. Well, let's just hope that. High rotation indication. It's actually a good size. It's not huge like the biggest thing on Earth like last episode. Which is good, cause last episode was not really good. So yeah. Alright, so I think I'm gonna head down to Hibbing, cause it looks like it's gonna head for that area. Look at the velocity. Look how big it is. Oh, there's a funnel. Yeah, the rotation definitely got bigger. That is a tornado, definitely. That's the funnel. Okay, it looks like it's going to be a nice size when it touches down, so... In the severe thunderstorm warning. Oh. Hang on. It's actually coming right for me. I'm just listening to the warning, see what it is. Coastal Valley, Hazelton, okay. If this tornado shifts north, it's gonna... in Hazel. Oh my gosh, that mezzo is a little big. Okay, that mezzo's gotten a lot bigger. Okay, we need to go, Okay, no. Stop it. Oh, it's huge. Oh, it's way bigger than what it was supposed to be. Way bigger than what it was supposed to be. I'm gonna grab some probes real quickly. Oh god, I better do it before this tornado hits. 2, why am I going so slow? Why am I going so slow? Go. Okay. That thing's already a wedge. Whoa, that thing big. What are the winds on probes? 60, 70. We might see that actually get destroyed in a second. Guys, we might have some destruction. Probes are reading 80s, so let's do it. See what it does to those houses. I mean, those sheds. There's my probe. It's gonna get in it. Oh god. Go. Only 80 on probe, and I'm getting way higher than 80. Actually, I'm gonna drop a new probe. Okay, this one's already reading 70s. That one's only in the 80s. It says it's still going south. Well, this is a debris ball from that barn. Whoa! 130s. Okay. 140s. Whoa, it's pink. It's pink, it says. It should be pink, not orange. Not even red, it should be pink. Oh, it's here, okay. Oh my god, 150s. Uh-oh. Go, it's coming. Oh, it's coming quick. Gosh. What the heck? That is a monster tornado. Got to go. Look at that thing. It says it didn't even directly hit my probe. 150. Wow, that's an EF3 for sure. Is it gonna hit Prior Lake is my question. What the heck is that tornado doing? It's shape-shifting. It already grew to a monster wedge and then it just randomly shrunk. Okay, I'm about to have to move because that thing's tan now. It looks like it's just moving east. Oh, it's growing quick. What the? Uh-oh, that thing grew. Don't know what to do. Should I stay here? Oh, wait, oh. Oh, no. Oh, we are not staying here. No, we are not. Oh, still getting in. How the? Oh, no. It just shifted east.
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing 90 mile per hour wind
90 mile.
hail was
Go.
located.
That is not good. Okay. Look at the velocity on that tornado.
Hazleton.
Okay, we're gonna sit here for a second.
Palvoid.
Could we just say how fast the Mezzo is moving right now? Okay, what does velocity say? Okay, it's doesn't look that tan anymore, so it looks like it's getting a little weaker. Nope, it got stronger. Wow, is that thing moving a little bit north? Oh, it's got a hint of north. It's actually, we might have a 200. I have not seen black in so long. Ever since the 300, oh no. It's coming up. I need to start moving. I should probably place a probe though. Oh, it's got vortices! It's got vortices. Looks like it's turning into a multi. Yep, it's multi. Look at that. Look at it! Shoot, 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 shoot. Go, go. Deploy, deploy. The Dominator did not move. I had to deploy it. This might be my death, guys. Oh my. No. We are not surviving this. It would be a miracle if we survived that. Whoa, no, 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 no. Look at how much black's in that. It's white. 130. Oh no. 140. 160. It's white. Survive. 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 This is our strongest tornado. This is our strongest tornado. 190. It's 200. Stay deployed. Okay, I'm in the 130s now. Where did I end up after getting tossed? Okay, I'm right on the side of the road. Why does it have a debris ball? What is it hitting? Probably something far away. Oh the Dominator. Dominator. Get in the car. Doesn't drive. Oh. 3. 215-mile-an-hour tornado. Maybe even stronger. And there's another one trailing behind it. Alright, let's go see what the other one's about. Oh my gosh, this whole place is destroyed. Oh no. It's a big one. It's a big one. Is this wind from the storm? That barn's destroyed. Oh no. This is going to be a monster, guys. It's probably going to be way bigger than that one. That was probably 3,000 feet, like the last one. Because the mezzo is bigger than that one. Look at the velocity on that one real quickly. Oh no. The other one's got, there it is. That's already a huge tornado. Unlike that one. That's possibly a mile wide right there. I don't think I want to scan it, because that's way too far away for scanning. That might be a new record over there. That's definitely already a record breaker. It already broke the strongest tornado record. But look how close these mezzos are to touching. We got 2 wedge twins. Got the second one here. Back there's the first one. That thing is monster. Okay, we should move in a second to get ready to intercept it. Okay, so that one definitely weakened. There's not any tan really left in that one. That's our strongest right there. This one's okay, there's tan in it now. This one's got more tan now. Okay, we should get ready to try and intercept. Power flashes, the other one's hidden. The other one's hidden, haram. Clear as day, you can see how big the wind field is. From there, bro, that's where the wind field is, right there. How big is the tornado? The mezzo's all the way back here. And the other tornado is all the way in Haram.
Severe thunderstorms can, and occasionally do produce tornadoes with little or no advance warning.
That is huge. Okay. Is this one a floater? Because there's no funnel. Yeah, it's definitely a floater. Alright, come on. Pink TBS. Wow, that's one way to kick off the new season. That is one huge tornado. Wow! Mezzo's all the way back here. Then we got this tornado right here. Ah! Okay. That might be a mile wide. That thing is a monster. There goes more power flashes. Is that... grow? Wow! That thing grew! That thing grew! That thing grew! I can hear wind from this one. We got 250 miles one. Let's see what this one got. The other one's going north. Look at the velocity on that one. This one's also strong. There we go. Okay, it's getting closer. I just heard the wind field a bit. This is a kind of small look at the hook on that one, by the way. But this is a small tornado. It says it's a strong boy. Well, we gotta test that. We're gonna intercept it, so we'll see if it's a strong tornado or not. It's time to put it to the test. We won't die on this one, that's all I'm saying. Because that was just a coincidence. That was crazy. Alright, here we go. I doubt it's strong. Guys, only 80 miles an hour, nice. Okay, 100. Whoa! It's mic'd up when you get into it. It's mic'd up when you get into it. Yep. Okay. See, that's why size doesn't matter. Wow, 140 in that thing. That was strong. It looks like this one might rope out. But now it's blocked from review. Because I need to see that thing. It could be still a mile wide. Velocity shows that the wind field size, the size of the wind field is 1.7 miles. Oh, another thing. This tornado shifted north. Okay. See, this one might... Oh, it's time, guys. How big was the last one? Wait, how big was the last one? What's the wind field? Hang on, how big is the... Yep, 3,000 feet, okay. There is a new tornado. Okay. The size of the wind field... 2.2. Another mezzo. Okay, yeah, there's another tornado. Okay. Well, that ends off episode 4 of Storm Chasing with Noah. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.